Alright, so after struggling to get this knot out with just pliers and wire and things like that, after 30 minutes I decided I need some more help. So I went and YouTubed it, and no, I'm not drinking a cup of tea. This is boiling hot water with some soap in it. Shout out to Simeon Trust Bible Workshops for the free mug. Anyways, we are gonna soak that in there. Then you're going to take a block of wood and a hammer and pound on the knot. Basically, the hot water and the pounding are both loosening up the rope fibers. I'm really happy to say after just 5 to 10 minutes of the hot soapy water, and beating it with a hammer on a block of wood method, I got this out. I would say the most loosening happened after that second round of hot water and beating. Maybe I left it in the water longer, or maybe it would take 2 rounds just to get the fibers nice and loosened up, but really thankful I finally asked for some help, got some good advice on YouTube, and there you go. So I think that'll help you guys out too, because those knots can get really stubborn when they've been there for years. Okay, so after you get your string undone, you don't want to let it just shoot in there, but hold on to it here, pull this handle off, set it aside, pull your string through, hold on here, pull it down through here. Don't let it just go into the winder, and then you're just going to tie a simple granny knot that'll be easy to undo later without using soap and water and a hammer. Don't want to do that again. So yeah, just kind of feel where it has some tension, but not, you don't need to be pulling the engine over. Yeah, just make a simple knot there. And let it hang out just like that. I'll show you what that looks like. So yeah, you can see there's my knot. And then the rest of the string, just going to leave it like that.